Aiper Seagull Pro connectivity issues. Experiencing connectivity issues with your Aiper Seagull Pro can be frustrating. This guide helps you troubleshoot these issues efficiently. Wi-Fi setup. Ensure your Aiper Seagull Pro is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Follow these steps for a successful setup. 1. Turn on your Aiper Seagull Pro. 2. Open the Aiper app on your smartphone. 3. Go to the Wi-Fi settings in the app. 4. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network. 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password if prompted. Verify that the signal strength is strong. Weak signals can cause connectivity problems. If the issue persists, try restarting your Wi-Fi router. Signal interference. Signal interference can disrupt your Aiper Seagull Pro's performance. Common sources of interference include other electronic devices, thick walls and floors, metal objects. To minimize interference, place the router in a central location. Avoid placing the Aiper Seagull Pro near large metal objects. Reduce the number of active electronic devices nearby. These steps should help improve the connectivity of your Aiper Seagull Pro.